With due respect to Honorable Jayne, you know, because when I think of Naivasha and I think of 2007, Jayne, you were right at the center of all that mess. Okay, you did not. I mean, there's this maxim I keep saying. He who comes to equity must come with clean hands. Jayne, I was
in the center of what?
Of 2007. 2007.
What did I do?
2007. I mean, you were one of the people that were investigated.
Esther,
okay, you were
what
clear.
did I do?
I mean, come on, the same incitement that you're doing now.
Don't be
the
silly.
The same incitement. I'm not
No,
being
ladies,
silly.
ladies.
It's true.
No.
It's true.
No, I
How
could
come my
hit
name
her.
was not there?
No.
Why was my name
What
not
was
there?
I investigated for?
Let me engage you.
Come on.
Come on.
Please.
The violence in Naivasha.
You are being stupid now.
So even if you call,
Madam Kihara, please.
even if you call,
Esther Passaris,
it's a
please.
fact. It's
No.
The truth hurts. The truth hurts, but it's
I
because
could
you
hit her.
follow.
Madam Passaris.
I could hit her.
Do you see how violent she is?
She has no idea what happened in Naivasha.
Come on. I saw how many people were
calm
killed
down.
What did you
there.
see?
How many people were killed?
Let's
And
calm
if
down,
you know
ladies.
that,
No,
you
no,
don't
no.
want to
Come
come
on.
on.
I would
like to, I would like
let's
you are
do
all,
this.
the two of you are my elder sisters, and you're in
She was in
parliament.
charge, but she
let
was
me,
there.
let me say
You're out
this.
of
I was there doing
Let me
what?
say this.
Inciting people the way you're doing
Allow me
now.
to
We've
say
muted
this.
your microphones for now.
Allow
Let's
me
address
to
the
say
question.
this. Allow me to say this.
Get
We
it out.
need
No, I want to leave.
we need to move.
I can't debate with Esther.